Tam yajñam barihishi praukshan purusham jatamagratah tena deva ayajanta sadhya rishayaschaye. A very, very beautiful Veda mantra. This is Yajurveda, Purusha Sukta, 9th mantra, 31st chapter. Many people have this question always, which is the real Yajurveda, Shukla Yajurveda or Krishna Yajurveda, etc. If we read the Vedas very carefully, like even in the same chapter of Purusha Sukta, the mantra says, Tasmat Yajnat Sarvahuta Richaha Samani Jajnire Chandangsi Jajnire Tasmat Yajus Tasmat Ajayata. So the word used by Paramatma is Yajus, Yajurveda only, Yajuhu. So Shukla and Krishna Yajurveda does not actually exist in the classification of Yajurveda by Paramatma. Of course, today Shukla Yajurveda is the real Yajurveda. I mean, whatever is the original Yajurveda, we call it today as Shukla Yajurveda. Krishna Yajurveda is basically commentaries written by Rishi Munis in the Sanskrit language, which are compiled and called as Krishna Yajurveda. So, whatever I say, chapter number 31, mantra number 9, chapter number 1, mantra number 1, chapter number 40, Shukla Yajurveda has got chapters, Adhyaya. Of course, Krishna Yajurveda, I'm not saying it is an anti-Vedic book. It is completely Vedic if we read Krishna Yajurveda under the guidance of an Acharya only, because today many people have misinterpreted Krishna Yajurveda as well as Shukla Yajurveda. So that's why we must always study Yajurveda from or any Vedic scripture from an Acharya. So whatever I have learned from my Acharya, I am trying to share with you. In this mantra especially, of course, I have listened from my Acharya around 5-6 years back as well, and also I have studied Swadhyaya, I have done Swadhyaya from Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati's Yajurveda Bhashya. So here, Paramatma says about 3 people, Devaha, Sadhyaha, Rishayah. 3 people. All these 3 people, Paramatma says, all these 3, they worship me. Ayajanta means, Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati writes in Sanskrit Bhashya, Ayajanta means Pujayanti, puja karte hain, they worship Paramatma, Ayajanta. Who worship Paramatma? Devaha, one who is studying Vedas or one who is learned of Vedas is Vidwan. Then Sadhyaha, one who is a Yoga Bhyasi, one who does Yoga Sadhana, one who follows Ashtanga Yoga Vidya in his life. And Ashtanga Yoga, not Hatha Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga is the real, pure Yoga Vidya which is available in the Vedas, which emanates from Paramatma. And Ashtanga Yoga Vidya is also there in Patanjali Yoga Darshan, commented by Vyasa Muni. This is Ashtanga Yoga Vidya. So Sadhya, Yoga Abhyas करने वाले, विद्वान, वेदों को अध्ययन करने वाले, one who does अध्ययन of Vedas, one who does yoga abhyas, and Rishayah, one who has realized the Veda mantras in Samadhi. All these 3 people, they worship Ayajanta, Pujayanti, they worship the Paramatma based on the Vedas. They worship Paramatma by Veda Vidya. Tam, see the mantra says beautifully, Maharishi writes, Ye devaha cha sadhyaha cha rishayah. Whoever is deva, whoever is vidwan, whoever is yoga bhyasi, whoever is rishi, rishi means mantra arth ko janne wale jnani. Rishi is a jnani. A person is who has realized Veda mantras in Samadhi is called as rishi, and the moment he realizes Veda mantras, he becomes a jnani. So how they worship? They worship Paramatma. And who is that Paramatma? Agratah jatam yajnam purusham. Agratah jatam. Even before the creation of the universe, that Paramatma existed. So these people worship that Paramatma who existed before the creation of the universe and who is Purusham, who is Purna. And how do they worship? They worship by Yajnam. And here Yajnam means Maharishi writes, Yajnam Maharishi writes, Sampujaniyam manase jnana yajne, yajnam barihishi sampujaniyam manase jnana yajne. So these people worship Paramatma by yajna. And also, what kind of yajna? Manas yajna. Manas yajna, of course, we do yajna by putting ahutis, but these people go, like, people like us, we do ahutis. I do everyday Agnihotra. But what happens after some time, after doing Agnihotras, after some time, I don't keep Paramatma in my heart. I don't do Pranidhan always. But these people who worship Paramatma, they do Manas Yajnam. They do physical yajna also, they do manas yajna also. They carry Paramatma's agya in their heart. A person who is a real Vidwan, a person who is a real Yogabhyasi, and a person who is a real Rishi, they will always carry the instructions of Paramatma in their heart. So thereby they will do all the activities, whatever activities they are doing throughout the day becomes yajna. Means they will never do any activity in their life against the Vedas. So we have to check in our life, are we doing things against Vedas? Yes, many times we are doing small things. If you count all the activities from morning to evening, many activity we would have done against Vedas. So that is not acceptable by Paramatma. That is not, when we do activities karma against Vedas and when you do put ahutis, what is the use? So worship Paramatma, don't worship Paramatma for formality, worship Paramatma with Barhishi Yajnam, Manas Yajna. मन से ईश्वर को धारण करो. सी महर्षि राइट्स इन द भावार्थ, विद्वान मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि सृष्टिकर्ता ईश्वर का योग अभ्यास आदि से सदा हृदय रूप अवकाश में ध्यान और पूजन किया करो. सदा पूजन किया करो. सदा मीन्स ऑलवेज, कंटिन्यूअसली. विद्वान मनुष्यों को चाहिए. If we have to become Vidwan, if we have to become Yoga Abhyasi, if we have to become Rishi, one thing we must try to follow in our life is to hold the preachings of Paramatma in our heart. Hridaya Roop Avakash में धारण और ध्यान करके उसका पूजन करना है. Never forget Paramatma when we do any other karma. Thereby we start doing anti-Vedic karma. Then coming home and evening putting ahutis is not really appreciable by Paramatma and Vidwans. So that's what the mantra says. These people worship that Paramatma who existed before the creation of the universe, and that Paramatma is Purna Purusha and pra-aukshan. And when they sit for dhyan, when they sit for name jap, when they sit for meditation, they do pra-aukshan, सींचते हैं, अर्थात धारण करते हैं परमात्मा को. भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि, धारण करते हैं. They hold Paramatma in their dhyan. When they sit for upasana, we do not hold. If you carefully observe, whenever you sit for meditation, whenever you sit for name jap, we are always diverted. We are always distracted. We think about something else. Sitting in the meditation, we think about something else, right? But these people who are sadhyaha, who are rishayaha, who are vidwan, they never do that. They, pra-aukshan means अच्छी तरह. प्र मीन्स अच्छी तरह. महर्षि राइट्स प्रकर्षेण, अच्छी तरह औक्षण, सींचते हैं, धारण करते हैं. दे कैरी परमात्मा लाइक अ चाइल्ड. लाइक a mother is carrying the newborn baby. Like that, these people carry the instructions of Paramatma always in their heads, in their hearts. So that's why Paramatma says Tena tam ayajanta. Uske upadesh ki, Tena means that Paramatma's upadesh is Veda Vidya. Just like these people are following the instructions of Veda Vidya, just like these people are holding the instructions of Vedas in their heart, तम उसको तुम लोग भी जानो, तुम लोग भी उसको फॉलो करो. You also follow the same thing. The number one is don't act against Vedas. Number two is worship Paramatma by yajna. Don't go to temple and do idol worship. People argue there is not a single Veda mantra there is which speaks against idol worship. Many people argue with me. Paramatma has clearly instructed Jad ki puja mat karo. Idol is a Jad tattva. Idol is not Chetan. Chetan is only Paramatma. So we must worship Paramatma by holding Vedas in the heart, by holding his name in the heart. Tad japas tadartha bhavanam, right? This is the worship of Paramatma. Tasya vachaka pranavah. Uska naam pranav hai. Pranav means Om. His name is Om, and chant the name of the Om Paramatma by Arth Bhavana. Arth ki Bhavana karke tad jap karo. This is worship of Paramatma. Similarly, Paramatma says in the Yajurveda, in the Samveda, do everyday yajna, morning and evening, doshavasta dive. Morning, evening, every day. Dive means every day. Do upasana of Paramatma by putting ahutis, by doing stuti prarthana upasana, and practice yam niyam in the life. Don't speak lies, don't cheat others, try to maintain brahmacharya even in grihastha ashrama. So these are all worship of Paramatma. So these people became Vidwans, they became Jnani, they became Rishi, they became Yoga Bhyasi by following the instructions of Paramatma and holding the value of Paramatma, name of Paramatma in their hearts. Thereby they became great people. And Paramatma says, tum log bhi usko jano, tum log bhi aisa hi karo. Just like your Acharya is doing, like suppose you have an Acharya, just like your Acharya is doing, you also do the same. Just like your Maharishi, I'm reading Maharishi's book. Just like Maharishi has done, we must also do. So that is the preaching of the Veda mantra. And we must hold Paramatma in our hearts and Manas Yajna. See, the Yajna starts with the outside Yajna only. First day we cannot become tapasvi. But slowly we must try and practice every day. Practice. One day it will happen to us also. Now, Acharya gives a very beautiful thing, a very, very practical example. See, my Acharya went to his Acharya. Today also in the Yajna, he was telling the story about how he reached his Acharya. So when he reached his Acharya, his Acharya told to my Acharya that Padmasan lagao, sit in Padmasan, sit in Siddhasan. My Acharya, Padmasan lagao. My Acharya said, I do not know Padmasan, I cannot sit. Then his Acharya sat in Padmasan and showed, this is how we have to sit. So my Acharya could not do it properly. Then he see the words of his Acharya. My Acharya's Acharya told to my Acharya, if I can do Padmasan, why you cannot do? You can also do. You have the same human body. If I can sit in Tapasya, why you cannot sit in Tapasya? The same is the concept here also. If these people can do Manas Yajna, if these people can do everyday worship of Paramatma, if these people can do Ashtanga Yoga Abhyas, if these people can live a life of, ahimsa, why can't we also? That's what Paramatma says, that you follow your Acharya, you follow great Rishi Muni Tapasvis and follow their way of life. विद्वान मनुष्यों को चाहिए कि सृष्टि करता ईश्वर का, that Paramatma is Agratah. See, the mantra has the word Agratah. Srishti se pehle, Agrata means before the creation. Paramatma must have existed before the creation. Thereby, creation happened. Thereby, he is able to create the creation. If he did not exist before the creation, how he can create the creation? So, Srishti Karta, he is the one who creates the creation. He is the one who is giving us everything. He is the one who has given this body. So we must worship that Paramatma. Sada Hridaya Roop Akash mein dhyan aur pujan kiya karo. Dhyan karo roj. Puja karo. Puja means here it is. Puja means aradhana. Aradhana means to follow the instructions. Puja means to follow the instructions of Paramatma, which is everyday Agnihotra, everyday Yajna, serving Acharya, listening Vedas, etc. 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 So tam yajnam barhishi praukshan Purusham jatam agratah tena deva ayajanta sadhaya rishayaschaye. Extremely important Veda mantra. Every mantra is extremely important. So whenever you listen to Veda mantra, try to understand the essence of the Veda mantra. That just like Rishi log, just like Vidwan, just like Yoga Bhyasis, Sadhyah, Sadhana karne wale, Yoga Bhyasi, just like them, you also become, you also follow like them. That is the message of the Vedas. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.